Okay, example 4, also a WJC past paper question. I just can't remember which year. So we've got particle mass 0.5 kilograms acting under a force F, which is the expression for F here. The velocity, sorry, a few typos here. The velocity of the particle at time t is v. When t is 0, v equals 8I minus 7j. Find the expression v in terms of t. B, when t is 3, the particle receives an impulse of 2I minus 9j. Find the speed of the particle immediately after the impulse. So slightly harder to see what you've got to do here, but all you've got to remember that F equals ma. So if I find A, I want to find an expression for velocity. So once I've got A, I can use the A to go back to find the velocity. Because remember, if I've got acceleration, to go back to velocity, I have to integrate. So I find the acceleration from here and I integrate it to get velocity. Remember, this is not an expression for velocity. This is just velocity at time t. I want a general expression. So I find A, I integrate it to get V. So we can say that if we got this here, if F equals ma, what I can do is where I see F, I can put my expression for F. So 4t minus 3I plus 3t squared minus 5tj equals the mass, which is 0.5 times acceleration. And then to get acceleration, I can divide all the left-hand side by 0.5. Okay, so I'm end up with divide this side by 0.5 gives me 8t minus 6I plus 6t squared minus 10t j. So that's my expression for acceleration. But I want velocity, so I say that velocity, you have to integrate acceleration with respect to time. So I need to integrate 8t minus 6I plus 6t squared minus 10tj with respect to t. Okay, so if I integrate this, increase the power, divide by the new power, increase the power, increase the power, divide by the new power. I've run out of room, but don't forget your plus c. Okay, so if I just simplify this, sorry, a bit of a mess now, simplify this bit here, I end up with v equals 4t squared minus 6ti plus 2t cubed minus 5t squared j plus c. So now we need to find that plus c. Now if I go back to the question, remember to find plus c, you need to know when t is 0. So when t is 0, V equals 8I minus 7j from the question here. And I could put this information into here to find C. So I put that into there, I get 8I minus 7j, put t is 0, so you get 0I plus 0j plus C. So I end up with C is 8I minus 7j. Once I've got that, then I can put this back into here to get my expression for V, which is what they want. So I get 4t squared minus 6ti plus 2t cubed minus 5t squared j plus C, which is 8i minus 7j. And then remember, it's just nice to collect all your i's together and all your j's. So all my i's are 4t squared minus 6t plus 8i plus 2t cubed minus 5t squared minus 7j. And there's my expression for velocity at time t. I'm going to do part B in a separate video because I'm running out of time on the video length, so it can only be up to 5 minutes. Okay?